shooting muscles for the first time. Alright, this is the look.
You should get a studio in New York.
Kind of getting like brass doll moment. Is my room not a vibe? Big shaky booty. Can you tell that like I love life right now? Good morning! Today is a good day. Not gonna lie. This morning I woke up and like not gonna lie, I was having a really off day. I was like, ew, like I don't want to wake up. I woke up at like 8 a.m. Which is I guess still early, but like it's not normal for me, okay? And I just like didn't love life. You know, I just like kept wanting to go to sleep because I was like, ugh, go back to sleep, make this day go over. I don't want to deal with life. Finally got out of bed, cleaned my house, FaceTimed a couple friends, had some pre-workout. Oh, sorry, I dropped you. Now I'm FaceTiming another friend, which is you. It's like the equivalent, right? And now I feel great. But I think what really helped was the pre-workout, not gonna lie. Like I'm literally shaking right now and my body is itching to go work out. And I didn't even want to work out, but I put on my workout clothes so that like, you know, like habits, like can't actually go work out, at least put on your workout clothes and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, but now I'm actually headed to the gym, so I ain't never seen the gym this busy in my entire life. How are you doing today? Is today a good day for you? Because like if it's not, well now it's a good day now that you're watching this video. Listen, the day is yours still, okay? Or if it's nighttime, I don't care what time you're watching this. Make tomorrow a better day or just make today a better day by just simply smiling. Smile this whole entire time you watch the video. I promise you, you're gonna feel better. Is it really busy right now? Yo, I could not find parking downstairs. Oh, shit was crazy. Okay. Did y'all just see me almost eat fucking shit? Frick, I'm gonna piss my pants. I'm gonna piss my pants. I'm actually gonna piss my pants. Morning! Hi, Sterling! Good morning, baby! I was in the gym and like I was talking to everybody and even they were like, oh wow, you got a lot of energy today. And I'm like, and I'm out here going like, good morning, like have a good rest of your day to the most random, even the bitch that be opening the door for me. Okay, I need to calm down. I got too much energy. I should probably like go on a run or something. Come on. Sterling, let's go on a walk. I just went on the first run in like 3 years. I mean, it wasn't, whoop. I was like running and like after like 2 minutes, I was like, wow, I can keep going. She's like a runner, she's a track star or whatever. No, I feel so fucking good right now. Okay, we're gonna go out to eat, but I have some creatine. I just ordered this one. Apparently it's gonna give me a fatty, so we'll see. This morning I woke up, I made some chocolate chip pancakes. I was watching a Mr. Beast video and life was good. Why am I so happy right now? Oh my god, I literally feel amazing. I'm gonna get changed. Oh, I feel so good. This is actually, I think, the happiest I've ever been in my entire life. I know I always say that, but like it's just because it keeps like getting better and better and better. Wow, I love life. Life is so good. I probably seem so annoying. Like if you hate your life right now, you're probably looking at me like, oh, click off this video. Like this bitch is so annoying. Oh, I'm gonna wear a dress. It's actually hot. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. It's really simple. All right. Cute little dress, cute little dress. I'm gonna pair it with this. And then some Jordan 4s, and then we are good to go. What do we think? All right, this is the fit. I've worn this on Instagram before, but we're about to go eat lunch.
So edgy.
Ben's so edgy with his film camera.
I don't do digital. I have a film camera and it's not a VHS, but it looks like VHS.
I just ordered it off Amazon. I'll link it down below, but it was only like $60. So like if y'all are trying to be like quirky, y'all can get it too. I'll link it down below for you. No, but they're like playing Christmas music. It is so freaking cute, even though LA is like literally boiling hot during Christmas. But you know, it's a thought that counts. The Grove is so like festive. Can you tell that like I love life right now? I hate when skank try to skip the queue and they successfully do it because I don't have the energy to put out negative energy in the world and say, excuse me. I just let them. We're at Marmalade Cafe right now. Y'all know I used to come here all the time. Oh, it's good, like really good. I love soup. We're so hungry right now. Good morning. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I know it doesn't look like the morning because my face is like caked right now, but yesterday I was like laying in bed and then all of a sudden I woke up and I looked at my computer and it was 6 a.m. I don't know how that works out. Hi, my name is Mai. I'm posting every single day for Vlogmas and you should subscribe. Oh my god, what are we gonna give away today? Let's see. I feel like giving out this. This is the Sephora Sparkly Clean favorite. You can't know how to win until like in the middle of this video because it's gonna be a little surprise because you actually have to watch the video. Crazy curvy big titties. Oh my god, is that a boy? No, just kidding, it's Ben. Yo, I actually don't know how I'm gonna do it. Clearly if you're watching this video, like I'm doing it, but I don't know how I'm about to post every single day because like I edit my own videos. Hi, please subscribe. This is like my 7th hour editing today, thanks. That means I'm gonna have to like wake up at 5 a.m. every single day to like edit or whatever, which kind of concerns me. The abs are peeking through, but honestly it's like not even on purpose. Like I'm editing, I'm too distracted to like eat food and it's really bad because like I know I really should, but it's like, you know when you get so in the zone that you forget to eat, and I never used to understand how people could do that because I was like, what? Like I think of food 24/7. And I'd be like, no, like I forget to eat, and I'd be like, how? And then yesterday I forgot to eat and I was like, I hate this life. Should I shower? I should shower. Oh my god, also this pharmacy green is like the best makeup remover ever. Like I wear waterproof mascara every single day, waterproof eyeliner, and it just melts right off. A new editorial makeup look. The emotions that she's portraying in this makeup. I'm kidding. Fresh out the shower. What are we gonna whip today? Honestly, my vibe right now is very simple. So I'm gonna change and then I'll be right back. Boom! Alright, this is the fit. Top is from Victoria's Secret and then these pants are from Princess Polly. I'll link them down below. I'm hungry. Shake, shake, shake your booty. Shake, shake your booty.
Mai is in a stress ball because she doesn't know what she's doing with her life. Poor girl. See, she seems happy all the time, but this is the reality.
Shut up. It's not even.
No, but you're stressed.
Yes, I am stressed.
Guys, leave a comment down below, what should Mai do? I think she should get a studio in New York, have a place in LA, and then go in between so that she has some options. When he puts on his playlist, frequency healing.
Yo, what song is this? I'm trying to Shazam and it won't work.
Wait, let me turn it up,
Wow. Who's the producer of this beat? Oh, whoa, the sun is beaming my skin though. Usually I would go, oh my god, it's dropped this. No one wants to skincare routine right now. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to get my skin just like me. First ingredient is stress. It's quite nipply outside right now. Yes. Oh my god, YouTuber things. Currently buying a hard drive because like I'm a hashtag YouTuber or whatever, but then we gotta go to Best Buy and get me another mic and a tripod because I break things. Do I look funny?
Fuck no, baby!
We love a sugar daddy. We love Ben. Oh my god, guys, sugar daddy took me to Office Depot.
Treat your friends right, guys. F-R-I-E-N.
I'm kidding, yeah. Best Buy! He's doing a typing test, like what anyway?
Pro.
Guys that can type fast. Oh my god. What do you look for in a guy? A guy that can type fast.
I might put this in my Tinder profile.
Ooh, new tripod. I'll link everything that I use down below, but I know some of you guys like want to be like tubers or whatever, so also like the camera that I use the Canon M50 with the, I just broke my nail, with the 11 to 22 millimeter lens. This like gives the wide angle. With this mic, which I broke, it's like kind of half working, so I'm still using it, but I just bought a new one. It's called the Video Micro, and it's like a tiny mic. Mics make the biggest difference for audio quality. I know people have like the little Canon G7X, but personally I don't like that because the angle isn't wide enough. And like on this one, you can like attach different lenses, so it's super nice. Look at how crusty this old one is and how nice this new one is. Out with the old old, in with the new. Look at the new setup. This is what it looks like. I feel like a little professional tuber again. Anyways, we're back at it again with the nice angles. Also, is my room not a vibe? So I think I'm gonna take Ben to my favorite spot, Beauty in Essex in LA, and I take everybody there. Why? It's because it is so good for no goddamn reason. What am I getting ready for? I don't even know, because honestly I don't give a f. This is what I look like 90% of the time. Actually, I've been looking at old pictures of myself. Y'all ever do this? Look at old pictures of yourself and go, wow, I was so much prettier back then. What happened? And I think like my eyebrows in this picture were a lot nicer. So I'm gonna try to achieve those eyebrows. I just posted a makeup tutorial, so I'll link that down below. So let's do a little time lapse. All right, this is the look. This is the look. I think it turned out pretty cute. I did the eyebrows like I used to do my eyebrows, and I think it looks better. We're in my closet now. I don't know what I want to wear. You ever look through your shit and you're like, I got nothing to wear? Clearly, it's a lot. I don't want these in a minute. Maybe I'll try this corset on. All right, let's do it. All right, this is the fit. What do we think? I went for like a little brown moment, but I think it's cute. It's kind of getting like brat style moment, but I don't know if I should wear this bag, which kind of like matches the pants better, or this bag. I think this bag. Let's do this bag. I've never had oysters in my life. How do you eat an oyster? Yes, thank you. So, what do we do? What is this? We're eating mussels for the first time. Yeah. Cheers. No, I didn't think we did that. Okay, so what do I do with this fork? It's okay. Yo, these crispy Thai shrimp is honestly one of my favorite foods I've ever tasted in my entire life. And I'm not exaggerating, because I realistically brought like 15 people here, and every time people have a bite, they're like, it's so simple yet so good. Woo! I'm so excited. Is it good? You think it's good? It's so good. No, it's like addicting. Good morning. It's currently the morning of December 3rd at 5 a.m. But I just want to say yesterday's giveaway winner for this Origins face mask set is on screen right here. The rules are really easy to enter. I'm giving away something from Sephora, like a holiday set every single day, and 3 iPhones. But yeah, make sure to enter. It's super easy. Just subscribe, follow my Instagram, comment something down below, and then have your Instagram username. Girl, there's a scam going around where people are like commenting saying that you won and contact them on WhatsApp. That's not true. The story shout out of the day goes to Fia's World. She was watching me while she was eating. Basically, if you want to be Instagram story shout out of the day, which I do every day, just post a picture of you watching me or whatever on your story and then tag me, and you can possibly be a winner. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test.